Hi guys, and this is the new day of my challenge, and you know that this challenge is absolutely fire because every day I add my profit per day into my special table, and I can see that the profit becomes bigger and bigger, even more than I have expected before this challenge. And it is absolutely crazy because I don't even know what the profit will be in 1 week or in 2 weeks, but I really think it's gonna be very amazing. So, and you remember that this challenge is special because I don't use my trading skills. I use only the ChatGPT4 bot that gives me the signals, and I open the signals, do not analyze the market, just follow the instructions. And this is the great thing that makes possible for everyone to make money, even if you don't have enough skills in the trading or crypto. Even if you're a beginner, you know nothing about it, you have only your phone or a laptop or only a phone, it is also possible for you to make money. So let's go back to the platform, Quotex platform, and start trading. So I prepared everything for my trading, and I've already put the investment about 5% of my current deposit. So after that, I opened my Telegram bot chat, and I've chosen the currency pair from the list that bot had sent me. So I've chosen this currency pair, and I already got all the instructions on my phone. And we need to do this very fast. In this case, this is the down trade, because here we can see the downward movement, and now the price is moving in the flat zone. And I remember that I promised not to analyze the market, but a little bit I really like to do this. So we just need here to wait for the end of this trade to see the result. But while we are waiting, let's go back to that table that we've created, and I want to remind you how to use this bot, how to actually achieve the result that we decided to get. So the signals, when you have already got your bot opened, yes, you have already registered on Quotex platform and you're ready to get the signals, what to do? You get the signals from the bot with strong sell and strong buy, and it is these signals that we need them exactly. But when you get the signals like just buy or just sell, these are not confident signals at all, or sometimes bot can send you their signal with blue round. It's absolutely not okay signal. You shouldn't open your trades due to these instructions. Need to wait for a strong sell or strong buy. You get the strong sell, you open a down trade. You got the strong buy, you open an up trade for this time interval that bot says to open. Yes, and it is the most important thing here: strong sell and strong buy. And we come back to their platform, but I will speed up a little because I don't want you to wait so long. So guys, unfortunately here we got a loss, but you remember that it is not bad because we have the strategies and the steps to take right now. Right now, let's choose another currency pair with yield more than 80%. Yes, after that, I will ask bot to send me the signal for this currency pair. So I already got the instructions. Let's do this. Open an up trade for 5 minutes. So here the bot thinks the price will be moving higher, and we can see that it's just very good uptrend, the green candlesticks, right? And while we're waiting, of course, let's go back to the table, and I will remind you another thing actually. ChatGPT bonus promo code. Yes, this promo code will give you a 50% deposit bonus, and when you deposit on Quotex, this will be the amazing thing for you to start. Yes, and excuse me, signal bot, it is also the very good assistant, because only thanks to it you can perform all these things, all this challenge, only thanks to this bot. And I've created this bot with my team of developers. Yes, and this bot is with artificial intelligence. It can analyze more than 15 indicators. It can analyze all the market movements, and it is the great thing. And I can say that it is It has profitability, average profitability is about 70 to 76% due to the statistics that for 3 months actually. And to register on this bot, you can find the link in the description under this video. And also, you need to work on platform actually. And I recommend you to use Codex platform because this platform has the license, and it is impossible to lose money on this platform, because some people say that they are afraid to not to withdraw their deposit or to something like that. No, Codex will always help you because you are the user. Yes. You can also find the link in the description under this video, or when you're registering in the bot window, the bot will also send you the link to register on Codex platform. So, and of course, be careful of scammers, because my subscribers have written me lots of stories, like the official websites of platforms, not only Codex. Yes, they can be forged, and when you deposit your money on these websites, you just don't have a chance to return it or to withdraw it. Yes, that's why you will find the link in the description under this video, and just you need to be very careful, guys. Yes, because it is your money, and you can trust these links in the description because I trust them. Yes, and let's return to the platform. I will speed it up a little. So guys, the price got to the flat zone and we got the profit here. So I could return what I've lost and also earn extra. So the bot signals work fine and we can continue our trading. But before we continue, let's put the investment amount 5% of my deposit. $520. After that, click the tab with currency pairs and choose a currency pair with yield of more than 80%. So click the button with the currency pair on the bot, and I got the signal. Let's do it very fast. Up move for 5 minutes. So here there is a attenuation occurred. The price is moving in the certain range, and the bot thinks that the price will be moving up. So we need to wait for the results actually, and let's go back to the table and let's remember the strategy. Now, yes, we got a profit, but the first trade was a loss. And how to behave actually. For example, you're already ready to trade, you have registered, you found it, promo code GPT in the description under this video. But my strategy is 5%, and this strategy, what is it connected with? It is connected with the behavior, your behavior in different situations. For example, you got a situation of profitable trade. In this case, you need to open the next trade. You need to put the amount of 5% of your deposit, of course. Yes, when your strategy when your trade is a loss, the strategy also gives you the steps to take. For example, your first trade, my first trade, for example, 250, it is a loss, and next I need to double up my amount. I need to invest $500, right? And the third, if the second trade is a loss, I invest $1,000. I always double up, but not more than 3 times. If I get 3 unprofitable trades, I need to take break for 2 hours. I've already told you why exactly, and if you're interested, just watch the previous videos, previous days of my challenge. And for you, I've also written the strategy. For example, I got here 2 strategies, low risk and very low risk, right? 1%. In this case, yes, $50 to invest for the first trade. Yes, you can deposit $50, but if you lose, you need to invest doubled up deposit. Yes, doubled up amount. $100. So it means that at least you need to have $150 in your deposit, yes, to invest. But if you lose again, you need to invest $200. And it also means that you need to have for the strategy $350. Yes, not many of you are ready for this, and I understand that. That's why I have here for you the low risk manager, not high risk, but I also have the high risk. If you are so risky, you're welcome actually. Write in the comments, would you like to see the steps for the high risk? So the smaller deposit, for example, you open the first trade with $1, and it is quite okay. I hope that you have $1 in your pocket and you can deposit it on Codex. And you lose first time, you open the trade with the second trade for $2, yes, the third trade for $4. But You might be asking me like, Emma, what if I lose my entire deposit? No, it's impossible because this bot is profitable, has the average profitability for 70 to 76%. And this bot cannot just give you only negative trades. It's impossible. The same is the bot just cannot give you the positive trades. Yes, everything is similar. Yes, the bad citations and good citations. And you don't need to be worried about, because this is the money that you invest in your future. You're learning how to invest, how to work with this market. Many others are afraid of this fear at all, and they don't even want to know more about it. They just believe that it is something difficult for something who are smarter than them. They think that you are watching this video makes you special, and you need to understand it. It is very good. So let's go back to the platform and check the result of the trade. I will speed it up a little. So guys, it is very good because the trade is profitable. This signal is very good. The price continued moving and 5 minutes were enough. So let's continue the trading, and you know, the first step is to put the investment 5% of my deposit. So $540, then click the tab with currency pairs and choose the currency pair with yield more than 80%. So let's go to the Telegram and ask bot to send the signal. So I got the instruction. Let's do up move, and we can see this is the upward movement. The price lows are becoming higher here, and the bot thinks that the price will be moving higher. I hope that this time we will get another profitable trade. But let's go back to the table, because I don't want you to watch how the trade is going. Yes, I want to tell you something very interesting actually. Yes. Exactly. Some people write to my personal Telegram messages the question like, Emma, why are you showing everyone how you make money? Why are you creating for yourself the competitors? There will be no money left in the world if you show everyone how to make it. If everyone becomes a millionaire or billionaire, the world will crash down, something like that. Yes, I want you to understand one interesting thing. This is this token invested market. There are lots of money on it, and they appear every day more and more, and I'm not afraid to get competitors. It is impossible. The market doesn't work this way as the usual market, and it's a very great thing if you start earning millions. If you become a millionaire, you will not become my competitor. You will not take my money from me. Yes, I will not lose anything. But if you become a millionaire or a billionaire even, it means that you will be a very happy, wealthy person, and it will be very interesting to communicate with you. And I would like to have more people like this around me. And if you are wealthy, happy, if you're an ambitious one, I would like to have you on my team, please. So you'll find the link in the description under this video to my Telegram channel, to my Telegram special closed chat, to the bot, and to the Quadex platform. I want to see happy, wealthy people around me. I am tired of people who have negative, toxic mindset, because it really makes me crazy, drives me insane. And I hope that you understand me. So let's go back to the platform and check the results of the trade. So guys, that is very good because this trade is profitable thanks to the amazing signal. So I increased my deposit about 13%, I suppose, just 4 trades, 3 profitable trades, 1 loss. But you can see I've taken the steps, I have my strategy, and I was not worrying like, I got the loss, how to live after that, I'm gonna give up. No, it doesn't work this way. That's why I've created for you this table. I've created for you this strategy, and if you need this table for yourself, just write in the comments that I need this table. Please send me this somehow. So guys, this result is amazing, and this day of the challenge is over, but next day we will make even better. We will do our best, and I noticed that you also started to use this bot oftener. So many of you write to my personal Telegram messages that this bot is a great thing. In some situations it gives only 100 profitable trades signals, sorry, and it is crazy because I don't have these statistics, and I want to know more feedback from you. So please write into the comments under these videos, write into the Telegram messages, and people can see the real people results, and it makes them motivated. It makes them believe in themselves that if you can do this, I also can do this and be happy and wealthy. See you in the next video, and let's make this challenge amazing together.